Hi guys, welcome back. So now we're going to be working on the final thing, which is pulling the small flowers, berries, leaves and shoots all together. And basically I'll show you how you can make a very small composition very quickly that creates something quite pretty. And you can use this pretty much straight away. You can even start to incorporate the flowers you learned last month in with this, but don't get ahead too much because we're doing that next month. Okay? But yeah, you can start looking into it, trying out some things now and see how that goes. Okay, so in this video we're going to be combining everything we've learned from making shoots and leaves to berries to small flowers. So you've got the opportunity to work out how to pull the different elements together with a composition, a very loose composition already presented to you, to see how your decorative elements work on it. And then you've got the opportunity here to use a really loose composition to add in anything you like. And then I would say, taking this, just get a sheet of paper and just draw a load of swirly lines and see what fits where and how that looks. So if right now I copy this one onto here, you see how already we've got a really nice little doodle building up. Oh, I don't like that they're touching. I really don't like leaves and flowers touching in my artwork. But that's my personal preference. Like, the way you work, you might like how things overlap. That might be something you want to explore, and that's perfectly fine. So I'm going to go straight in with this one with the pen, just to show how you can get when you start to do it with enough practice. See? So quick and easy. And then on here we can do a couple of different flowers. So let's do our crosses. I'm going to do the 3-petal one here, and do a 2-petal one here, but I think I want it to have 3 petals at the top. I'm going to do the same down here with the 3 petals at the top rather than the 2. And this one's going to be a 3-1. Nope, that was really badly done. It's fine. It's fine. It's only a sketch. I think I want that to be a leaf. I'll make that a shooty. A shooty. Do a little leafy there. A little berry there. Needs to be a shooty leaf. Shooty. I need a better name than shooty. Shooty. That's funny. Let's go over it with a pen. Done. See how very quickly you start to get lovely little drawings really quickly with not a lot of effort. So then this one, just do whatever you like. You can do a flower, you can do a bushel of berries, some leaves, do a little flower there and a little flower there. I want a flower here actually. So you don't have to use the lines, you can add to the lines. Sorry, you can't really take away from the lines. So I just looked at my composition then, and I didn't like that there was a big leaf here. It made it feel weirdly heavy, and this flower was too big down here. So I've just made those little changes now, and I'm just fixing any gaps I see with little berries or little leaves. And I think that's quite a nice little composition. This is still coming out more than I would like, but I can't do much about that pen line there, can I? Let's just go with it, see how it looks when it's lined. I'll make it like that. And if I was doing this with pen and ink on a nice piece of paper and I wanted lines on those leaves, I wouldn't leave a gap and try not to... Yeah, if I wanted to put lines on these leaves in a proper piece, I would use a jelly roll pen to add the lines back in rather than trying to colour around and leave a white space. It's not going to show up very well on here because I've not coloured it in very well. But I would use a gel pen to add the white lines rather than trying to meticulously go around it. Let's see. This is way too much effort. You can do this if you want to, but I wouldn't. If you wanted to, if you don't have a gel pen, have no interest in buying gel pens or paint pens, then this is a way you can have a white vein on a leaf using black. So yeah, that's that. That's bringing everything together that we've learned to make a little composition, and then next month we'll go over how to basically build up the larger flowers with these smaller flowers and all the decorative elements and how to fit it into a sheep. So thank you for joining me this month, guys. I really hope these are helpful. It's been absolutely amazing to see all the things you're producing in the Facebook group and on Instagram. So I've been asked about the hashtag Wednesday Make Kinfolk. It's at the bottom of every single worksheet. You basically, if you share something on Instagram and use that hashtag, anybody who is doing this will be able to find the work. We can all go and look and see what everybody else is producing, and it just kind of builds up with that community again, kind of giving us all a space where we can see what everyone's doing, give feedback, support each other. And it helps me in keeping track of what everyone's doing as well. Because if you tag me, I'm not guaranteed to see it. The way Instagram works, half the time I don't see the things I've been tagged in. So a hashtag it's there. I'll always be able to find the artwork. You'll always be able to find the artwork, and we can all look and see what everyone's doing. I also have an Instagram page account called Wednesday Made Kinfolk, where I'm hoping to start sharing all the artwork that's being produced with permission, of course. So if you're up for that, if you're happy with artwork being shared, let me know, and we can all start to put it on that account and have a base we can go to link to ourselves, to link to the community, and to get everybody kind of coming to one place to support each other. But with that, there's also the Facebook group. There's quite a few people in there now, and they're all really lovely, and it makes me really giddy in my heart to think how many people have joined already. It's incredibly humbling. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for taking part. Thank you for all your input, your comments and support. If you have any feedback at the end of this, please, 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 please leave a comment, join my Facebook group, leave a message in there, send me an email, send a message through my website, whatever way you prefer. If you have feedback that will help me improve the course, I would love to hear it. The whole point of me doing this is to try and work out how to best teach this so that the person learning gets the most out of it. So I really, really, really would appreciate feedback. Thank you. Okay, guys, I will see you next month where we'll be pulling all of this together. That'll be fun. See you then.